You the
nice guy. We are Juma. Should in case you be the Adebo 3 man, I say, the Adebo be 3 man. A police case. And Kawasam saying, and why never baby you?
They are not street boys, and sometimes them be actually your phone. So much as I say, oh, dear, we no lie. Oh, dear, we say, I know what fine, I won't fine, you know. But, yeah, bravo, life from the sanity. Sanity.
So there be any but I say, Hannah, our banner. All starting life all over again. Be very fun. Come to him. If you baby, me a baby. And I know, say, the downfall of a man, no, that's not the end of him. Whilst I want your life there, it will be oh. Tiwe me head it out. My uncle me kwa jimadi binti no nko jam na me mkoma.
Oh. Oda wan come in nya come me uncle badem Chelsea for be match. Oh, Manchester for.
Enko mra. Manchester e betumi rewind it. So I record again.
Me person come here live.
Anya hwe enko mra. E betumi ahwe no bebi ekọ no. Enko mra. Enko jame. You know. Enko mra e be is here. Why?
find your perfect dress. Listen to the rain, feel it touch your soul. Let it wash away the pain, let it make you whole. Feel the love all around.
Oh, just sit down. Have a seat. And you did go see.
I call.
Tenacity, feel free. Tenacity. Let's relax. That feel free.
Watch you.
Feel free. That shampoo too.
Yeah.
You got your say. You are okay.
Watch you.
Stress.
Watch you. Madam,
Can't you say you are very okay, you know.
Madam Pacho. Uti, Madam Pacho. Me person me cancer, me Pacho.
Golly, come here.
Yeah, I'm coming, madam.
Come here. Come here, just come here. Come here.
Madam, what did you me, please?
Come here.
Jesus.
Come here.
Come here.
Come on.
I'm coming.
Come.
Madam Pacho,
just relax it.
Mama, relax.
Relax it.
Madam, relax. Can you
relax it?
But I cannot talk. I know, but I cannot talk to me, Pacho.
Yeah, that's why you're so
I Pacho, I'm coming. Just, I know, but listen, Madam, person me no kasa.
Come to you.
Me nimse bibi abe fine, Madam. I know, Madam. Hey, Madam. What did you meet my kasa?
Okay, ude kasa.
Sure. Thank you so very much, Madam. Pacho, auntie, moi, Pacho, boy, me no. This one may be Bianza now, boy.
Oh, Debbie.
Is this the reason why you brought me to your house?
No. Also, buy me a single. No beer.
Madam, Debbie, and look at Jesus. Madam, Oba on for showing Beyonce now I was on so America.
Relax.
On for fair
American episode coming to do a call.
Madam, but me so obidia. Nay, no, Madam, the team. I'm in casa with the team. My cousin, Madam.
Hey, what did you back with her? Oh, back with her. Ah, and she, where first attempt. But she remain. When you come,
see, pa, me any day. I didn't mean some titty more, me by better than Anka. I heard you must have near there. Mammy is so sorry, I just saw Tom Toon and Minukuno. Mukwana Menda. Me show me do be saying I send a Juma for from. Huh? Some at Naku, you know what drum. Ish, I'm not thing. I say there is some sarcomic, my cup. Some go street and some coca. SOBOLO, the SCB, and I'm forgetting I am starting move. Because, going back to the streets and society and cardi, come cool. So when you come, any boyfriend, I'm in Triana. A nice woman.
When the world feels heavy and you can't find peace, close your eyes and breathe. Find your sweet release in the quiet moments, in the silent night. Let the calm surround you, hold you gently tight. Feel the love all around in the simplest sound, in the whispers of the breeze. Find your gentle ease. Leave your worries behind. Take a deep, slow breath. In the stillness of time, find your perfect rest. Listen to the rain, feel it touch your soul. Let it wash away the pain, let it make you whole. Feel the love all around in the simplest sound, in the whispers of the breeze. Find your gentle ease. Leave your worries behind. Take a deep, slow breath. In the stillness of time, find your perfect rest. Listen to the rain, feel it touch your soul. Let it wash away the pain, let it make you whole. Feel the love all around in the simplest sound, in the whispers of the breeze. Find your gentle ease. Leave your worries behind. Take a deep, slow breath. In the stillness of time, find your perfect rest.
Oh, sure.
When the world feels heavy and you can't find peace, close your eyes and breathe. Find your sweet release in the quiet moments, in the silence.
Mandy,
Yay!
I do over yesterday. Yesterday, my teacher on my job. Let's sign to me. Anyway, I don't yesterday. I saw my people. We are ready. Who are you coming? I don't know. Oh, yeah.
We did.
Say, bam. Who that day? It's your cheer. What did you so? babe.
Yeah. what's up?
Madam for New Monday. Men in war overseas.
Oh, okay.
I know New York now. Me movie cut na Atlanta.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, needing the Monday.
Mandy.
Sweetheart.
Hello. Mandy, but your America, the one day more from Kobe.
Any problem?
Take me. I see.
Any problem? Cry, actually.
Oh yeah.
I show them connection be. Pretty head there. Yeah, Jenny. I don't echo.
Pacho, Madam, I wanna leave you guys. So
Oh, feel free.
Oh, nah.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Matty.
Yeah, so
Matty.
Mandy, I'll see you later. Yeah?
All right.
Sure.
Take care.
Mind
Yeah. When you're done and announce it. Bible class and share.
Oh,
Madam, with the connection new. But you open team pampa now. We would be familiar and I say, we.
my best friend Diesel. Nam de go me care no ade na nwanwe. Me se bra me connection.
Oh, me can't see connection.
Show mama bre.
Education you have to acquire knowledge, skills, and attitude in order to live meaningfully in society.
Mande.
Madam, Eva.
Mande. Aguro wole ni sijaro. Oh, aguro wole ni so.
Oh my goodness.
Mande. Ma se akọ mama bre. The boy there do krobi hu na makoyi na flow. Akọ ni say twitwu. Mi je mu.
Hey, what do you have a G?
Hey, what do you have rabaje? Say kutu. Hey,
Oye Juma.
mama pa.
Hirima.
Hey.
Hirima.
Yay.
Enti no waka Ghana yi. O
Mini
person.
baby ako. I don't know boss.
Hey.
Now do you say?
Oh, he's cute. I like him. Oh, a nice guy.
Cute, you there? Yes, I'm my view. Yes, I'm my view. Hey.
Oh. Yeah, sure.
Ghana so the head the year.
Oh.
Oh.
Let's see. Ghana there.
Ewia no ntia me ba me tumi mpio.
Yeah, some.
Me shedem sa.
So risking na ye basa.
We glad say any bad idea bia but. Ooh, ewia no dey na ye too.
Usually I'm piano journal.
Anajo. I think say no you say me me call office. The coffee business no na makoye some meetings bi. Na who see Africa edim anantia kwa.
It's be a shame.
Manager, easy. Kind of shit. No futuro no so. It's too bad.
But remember no hard things.
Na
Yeah,
duma-
now they
Na oba so eh.
Oh, me boutique on maybe another one.
Wow. I was side being
They'll be down. Na ba ku so akra kasa. Kind shit.
wow. I was so the me ko.
No problem.
Because I was so the me ko na uni. Koi nice. Yeah, the man.
It's specking for.
Oh, you clean.
No, what's specking now will be engineer. Ghana home mind is
On magic power.
Hello?
On magic power. Yeah.
Drums start to play, the beat so sweet. Ghanaian rhythms can't compete. From Accra to Kumasi, the sound so unique. All across the nation, we feeling the heat. Melodies flow like the river Volta. Every note, every word, it brings us closer. Kinteklo are swaying as the music takes over. Ghanaian songs, they make our hearts bolder. Let's dance to the rhythm, feel the joy in our souls. Ghanaian grooves, they take control. From the high life to the Afrobeat, we move it our feet to the Ghanaian beats. Oh. Ghanaian grooves, they take control. From the high life to the Afrobeat, We're moving our feet to the Ghanaian beats.